Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain Denali. The Denali Terrain is powered by a 1.5 four-cylinder turbocharged engine and made up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Terrain: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights. You do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and forward collision warning. We have a digital gauge cluster as well, 21 kilometers on the odometer, brand new. Push-button ignition, a nice large 8-inch touchscreen. Navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control as well. You have your gear selector in the center, auto stop start feature. Now in the center console here, you have your heated and ventilated seating, lane keep assist, downhill descent, parking sensors, as well as your four-wheel drive system, so two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or off-road. Changing the transfer case and the transmission settings for your Denali. Bose audio throughout, and then those luxurious leather heated and ventilated Denali seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Denali Terrain, we have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful gunmetal alloy wheels with Hankook all-season tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry and chrome accenting trim. We have the LED strip and camera system on the color matched mirror caps. Coming down to the front of the Denali Terrain, we have of course the Terrain front grille, massive chrome grille. We have parking sensors and a camera system, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Making our way back down the side, we do have the rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped on the OEM key fob. At the back of the Terrain, we have rear parking sensors, LED brake lights, backup camera, and height adjustable trunk release. Jumping into the interior of the Denali Terrain, second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready and heated. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to the super large trunk of the Terrain, and then seats fold right back up, locking into position. Over top, we have a light colored headliner and a massive dual panel sunroof, LED lighting throughout, heated seat controls, USB ports, and an outlet in the back of the center console for your Denali Terrain. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.